Hello fellow gardeners, I'm Joe Lample, the soil doctor from Dirt Decoded. Today I'll show you how a simple 5-gallon bucket can help you grow big, beautiful eggplants, even without a garden. Buckets give you total control over soil quality, which is key since eggplants are heavy feeders. You can create the perfect environment packed with nutrients right from the start. Plus, buckets are portable. Eggplants need at least 6 hours of sun, so just move your bucket to chase the light. If a storm's coming, bring your plant to safety. No stress. This flexibility makes gardening easier and more adaptable, especially in small spaces. Bucket gardening is beginner-friendly. No digging, no raised beds, just a bucket, good soil, and a sunny spot. You can focus on 1 or 2 plants and really learn what they need to thrive. It's a manageable project that builds your confidence and delivers great results. With a bucket, you're in control of soil, sun, and success. Let's get started and grow some amazing eggplants. Grab your bucket and let's dive in. First, drill 5 or 6 drainage holes in the bottom of your bucket. This is non-negotiable. Good drainage keeps roots healthy and prevents rot. For soil, mix equal parts high-quality potting mix and compost for nutrients and airflow. Add a handful of coconut coir or peat moss for moisture retention, plus some perlite for extra drainage. For a nutrient boost, mix in crushed eggshells for calcium, chopped banana peel for potassium, and a scoop of worm castings for plant superfood. These simple kitchen scraps and amendments make a huge difference. Blend everything together before planting. This rich, well-draining mix gives your eggplant the best possible start. With the right soil, your plant will thrive all season. Now your bucket is ready for planting, let's move on to daily care. Eggplants crave sun. Give them at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Move your bucket to the sunniest spot you have, and adjust as needed. Water deeply every morning until you see water drain out the bottom. Use the finger test. If the soil is dry 2 inches down, it's time to water. As your plant grows, you may need to water more often, especially in hot weather. Mulch the soil surface with straw or leaves to keep moisture in and roots cool. Mulch also reduces how often you need to water. Consistent moisture and sunlight are the keys to healthy, productive eggplants. Pay attention to your plant's needs and adjust as the season changes. With daily care, your eggplant will flourish. When flowers appear, start feeding your eggplant with a liquid organic fertilizer every 10-14 days. Compost tea or diluted seaweed solution works great and is gentle on plants. Mix it with your regular watering for a steady nutrient boost. As fruit develops, support the plant with a stake and soft twine to prevent branches from breaking. Check leaves for pests or disease. Being in a bucket makes inspection easy. Remove pests by hand or use insecticidal soap if needed. Healthy, well-fed plants resist problems and produce more fruit. Consistent feeding and support are the secrets to a big harvest. Stay attentive, and your bucket-grown eggplant will reward you. Let's talk about harvesting. Harvest eggplants when the skin is glossy and deep in color. Don't wait for dullness or bitterness. Use sharp shears to cut the fruit, leaving a bit of stem attached. The secret to success? Great soil, consistent water, plenty of sun, and regular feeding. Buckets make it easy to control all these factors no matter your space. Move your plant to chase the sun or protect it from storms. Total flexibility. Bucket gardening removes the guesswork and gives you reliable results. Start with 1 bucket and 1 plant. It's simple, affordable, and rewarding. There's nothing like eating a vegetable you grew yourself. Grab a bucket, mix up some soil, and enjoy the best eggplants ever. Happy gardening.